Indian drug makers are facing severe scrutiny from the US Federal Food and Drug Administration after the regulator found some companies violating quality and safety standards. The pharma industry is worried that this could hit its overseas business. Madiha Mujawa has more.
India is the world's largest drug manufacturer, with exports totaling $14 billion in 2012-13. More than 30% of foreign sales are to the US, which is why the US drug regulator is carrying out quality checks. That has concerned some Indian manufacturers.
This heightened scrutiny is definitely giving cause of anxiety that are we getting our systems right, are our people properly trained, is our compliance program right, is the tone at the top right, do we have the right people, right skill sets, and all of those have to be welcomed.
In recent months, the FDA has imposed supply bans on some 20 Indian facilities, including established companies like Ranbaxy and Wockhardt.
Quality standards default can happen in any country. It's not like India. I don't think that it is fair that we should isolate a country and say the whole industry is like that.
Others say that companies that comply with global standards have nothing to fear. In fact, increased testing can lead to certification by foreign drug regulators, and that translates to greater access to expand their overseas business.
It's a great opportunity for pharmaceutical companies who can live up to those exacting standards being set by a host of those regulators. So those companies who do well will find a huge opportunity in various parts.
India is the biggest overseas source of medicines to the US, and now with President Obama's benchmark healthcare program, demand for affordable drugs from India is expected to rise. This may be one reason for the increased scrutiny by the US FDA to ensure that drugs imported from India are safe and effective. And so Indian pharma companies are trying their best to comply with norms set by the US FDA, which will help them increase their penetration in the US market.